Requesting clearance for drop.
You are cleared. Over.
Payload away. Clean release.
New Wrangler Commando has up to 705 HP, but only a few are allowed to buy it. The Jeep Wrangler Commando is based on a 392 and features a 3.5-inch lift, steel fenders, and an assortment of other upgrades. Fox Factory Vehicles has introduced the new Wrangler Commando. It features a 3.5-inch lift, Fox shocks, steel fenders, and leather seats. The 6.4-liter V8 produces up to 705 horsepower with an optional supercharger. Fox Factory Vehicles is celebrating Veterans Day by introducing the new Jeep Wrangler Commando. It's a turnkey off-roader based on the Wrangler Rubicon 392. Starting outside, the model has a steel front bumper with a grille guard and auxiliary lights. They're joined by steel high-top fenders and tubular doors, which have both been painted 41 green to match the body color. Rounding out the highlights are a Bimini top, Commando hood decals, and an optional 12,000 pounds, 5,443 kilograms, worn winch that costs an additional $3,395. Besides the minor styling tweaks, the Wrangler has been equipped with a 3.5-inch, 89 mm, JKS lift kit and Fox 3.0 internal bypass shocks with remote reservoirs. They're joined by a Fox ATS steering stabilizer and 17-inch beadlock-capable wheels that are wrapped in 37-inch Nitto Ridge grappler tires. Moving inside, buyers will find tan leather seats with embroidered Commando badging on the backrests. The model also has a dashboard-mounted accessory rail, a digital rearview mirror, and a spare tire that has been relocated to the cargo area. Power comes from a familiar 6.4-liter Hemi V8 pumping out 470 horsepower, 350 kilowatts/477 horsepower, and 470 lb-ft, 637 Newton meters, of torque. It's connected to an 8-speed automa.